Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a super exciting tutorial for you. We're diving into the world of ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI chatbot that's taking the internet by storm. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or just someone who loves exploring new digital tools, this video is for you. I'll walk you through every step of the way, from finding ChatGPT online, signing up for an account, to getting started with your very first conversation. You'll see just how easy and fun it is to interact with this cutting-edge AI. So grab your device, get comfy, and let's embark on this tech adventure together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started.
To find ChatGPT, I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to just do a search for ChatGPT. And you'll see it comes up right away along with a number of other searches for ChatGPT, but let's just go. And what we are looking for, let's ignore the sponsored stuff. What we're looking for here is chat.openai. That's the name of the company that has manufactured this particular chatbot. And we're going to go to ChatGPT. Like anything else on the internet, we're going to have to sign up. So let's go in and let's do the sign up. Okay, they've sent an email. Click the link to get started. So I've got my email open. We're going to just click over to that. And now it's going to ask me a little bit of information. And here we have it. It gives us some tips right off the top so we can ask it questions. It is a basic chat bot. It's a simple screen with not a lot of distractors. So here's our tips from ChatGPT. Ask away. It can answer questions, it can help you learn, it can help you write code, it can come up with ideas. And the idea generation thing is maybe one of the biggest tools that ChatGPT can bring to teachers. It suggests we don't share sensitive information. That includes information that has come to us by way of our students. And we're going to talk about some of the ethics and ins and outs of using AI in further videos. Today, we're just looking at getting started, but I like that it has given us that just little reminder about be careful about sensitive information. And then it tells us to check facts. We are going to talk about what's called hallucinations with AI in another video, but in a nutshell, AI is kind of like humans, that if it doesn't know the answer to the question, it might just start making some stuff up. So just because it's been produced as an output does not make it credible. When we use ChatGPT, we do have to know our basic facts because the content that comes out might not be correct. So let's hit the OK, let's go. And here we come to our basic screen. How can I help you today? And at the bottom of the screen, we see a couple suggestions how we might begin to interact with ChatGPT. I'm just going to type in a suggestion for it. Now I've asked it to be very specific because this is one of the powers that we can use to have ChatGPT assist us with what we really want to say. Now, some people might argue that this is disingenuous or this is artificial. My classroom reality was that I had 360 students through my classroom in a given week. I saw them for 2 40-minute blocks every 4-day cycle. And when I was doing my report card comments, by the time I got to the 74th is an excellent student and keeps up well in class, I felt really disingenuous. I would have loved to be able to take a bank of comments like this and find exactly the one that pertained to my student who was really struggling with focus due to a known condition of ADHD. So this is just one example. Let's take the example of the student who's doing really well and is excelling in my class. Let's have ChatGPT give us some report card comments for that. Okay, now let's make that specific to a math class. I'm a very creative person. I know what's going on in my classroom. I know what my students can do and can't do. But report cards can be such an onslaught of thinking and articulating and really wanting to say to the parent of our students exactly what's going on, but without wasting their time, without being generic, without being disingenuous. It gives me pause to wonder why we wouldn't use a tool like that. I'm not saying that I'm not going to think about every individual student. I absolutely am. But I don't have to be the creativity factory anymore. Let's ask ChatGPT for some ideas. And let's see if I can come up with some new ideas for that unit. Maybe I could even give my students some choices within that unit. So here's 10 project ideas, and none of them are the same as the project that I've been doing for the last 5 years. Equally, I could ask it to give me a summary of the chapters.
We can use this tool for mathematics, we can use this for chemistry, we can use this for translation. The possibilities are broad and varied, and I would love to hear from you. What have you used ChatGPT for to assist you with teaching and instruction? What about your uses with assessment, with reporting? How can a tool like this help you in your practice? I'd love to hear your ideas, and I look forward to the conversations to come now that we've gotten you logged into ChatGPT. Perhaps you have a couple ideas of some things you could have it do. Please drop your ideas in the comments or find me on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok to weigh in on this conversation. We all benefit when we share knowledge and ideas. So, happy GPTing, and I look forward to conversations with you about how this has really improved what you can do and what you can deliver in your own classroom. We'll talk again soon.